Thinking like a parasite. I'm a parasite. I need food and shelter, and somewhere warm perhaps, and I don't want to go and find food. I'd like it to come to me. So I'm going to live inside another organism. I need a host. I could travel in the water, sneak into your glass of juice, or maybe in food, gobble me up and I can get inside you. Or perhaps I could just wait until one host touches another. I'm the champion of causing water and foodborne illness. I'm only tiny, so nobody will see me. In fact, some of us are just single-celled organisms, although you might spot one of the worms. Ooh, a human. They can be a great host for parasites, like viruses or worms. I also like animals too. I can go from human to human to animal to human, whatever comes my way. Hosts provide somewhere for us parasites to live, grow, and reproduce. But sorry, we do cause harm. We secrete toxins. And yes, we are sneaky. We don't want you to get rid of us, so we'll fight your immune system. But don't worry, we shouldn't kill you. Then I'd have no food. Sometimes you can hardly tell I'm here, but I guess sometimes parasites cause a lot of nasty symptoms. If you're lucky, you won't be a permanent host. Some of us parasites use different humans and animals throughout our developmental stages. I might even pop out when you're in the loo. Let's snuggle down into those tissues and organs. I like to be in the gastrointestinal tracts, but other parasites float around in the blood, like malarial parasites. Ooh, vitamins. I'll take those. And some amino acids too. No wonder I make you feel poorly. Sorry to harm you. I'm benefiting at your expense, but that's what parasites do. Whilst I'm here, I need to reproduce. Live, grow and multiply. That's what I say. I always reproduce at a much faster rate than my host. Anyway, host, thanks for my food, water, heat, habitat and impending transmission. I'm off.